Good day everyone! This is Sir Ken at today magkakaroon tayo ng fast drill patungkol sa ating mga Filipino writers and their pen names. Handa na ba? Let's start. Kapag tinanong sa board exam, ano yung pen name ni Jose Corazon de Jesus? That's Jose Batute. Kapag naman, Jose de la Cruz, that's Jose Sisiw. Kapag naman tinanong, what are the pen names of Jose Rizal? That's Dimasalang and Laong-Laan. Kapag tinanong, ano yung pen name na ginamit ni Rizal sa La Solidaridad? That's Laong-Laan. What are the pen names of Marcelo del Pilar? That's Plaridel and Dolores Manlapat. Kapag naman, kay Graciano Lopez Haina, that's Diego Laura. Kapag naman tinanong, what are the pen names of Mariano Ponce? That's Tikbalang, Naning, and Kalipulaco. Tatlo po yung famous pen names niya, no? Kapag naman kay Emilio Jacinto, that's Dimas Ilaw and Pinkian. Kapag naman pen name ni Antonio Luna, that's Taga-Ilog. Kapag naman pen name ni Pio Valenzuela, that's Madlang Awa. Kapag naman tinanong sa board exam, ano yung pen name ni Jose Garcia Villa? That's Dovig Lion. That's combination of Dove, Eagle, and Lion. That's Dovig Lion. Kapag naman pen names ni Andres Bonifacio, Agapito Bagumbayan, and May Pag-asa. Pero kapag naman kay Emilio Aguinaldo, that's Magdalo. Now, ano po yung pen name na ginamit ni Jose Maria Panganiban? That's Joe Mapa. How about kay Severino Reyes? That's Lola Basyang. At kapag tinanong, ano po yung pen name ni Valeriano Peña? That's Quintin Coliran. That's it for our fast drill sa ating mga famous Filipino writers at yung kanilang mga panulat sa hisag o yung kanilang mga pen names. Nakasabay ba? I hope na nakasabay tayo. Kung hindi po nyo nasabayan, balikan nyo lang po yung ating video dahil hindi po nawawala sa board exam sa general education yung ating mga pen names. This is Sir Ken. God bless everyone.